let's grab a quick breakfast at the International Cafe. Okay, so at International Cafe, I went up and got me a chocolate chip muffin and a chocolate muesli bar. I don't know what that is, so I thought I'd try it. Let's try the muesli bar first, since I don't know what it is. Oh, look at that. It's got like seeds and nuts and caramel with chocolate. Uh-oh. It's kind of hard. It's got caramel in there. And it got a really good taste. You can really get the essence of those nuts and seeds with the chocolate and the caramel. I'm liking it. I'm choking. Okay, I'm back from my choking incident here. Let's try the chocolate chip muffin. Now, last one of these I had was gluten-free. I didn't look and see if this one was or not, but it was good. That's very good because it's just a touch sweet, not overly sweet. I'm liking both of these things. I'm going to probably eat them again. Okay, so this morning Robin from Sea Lake Journeys got herself some gluten-free breakfast from the International Cafe.
Yeah, they've not had very many selections up there. Didn't have very many selections today either. But this is a little, what do they call it, frittata. It's got broccoli and cheese and egg.
Looks good.
Smells good. That's really good. That's very good.
Apologies for all the noise, but we were trying to drown out the background music that was on the ship. There it is. Oh yeah, look at there. See our Sea Lake Journey crew, I got myself the chocolate donut. These are some of your other options available there this morning. Stuff looks great. And we got one more down here. All right, you guys let me know what you want. Tuna fish sandwich from the International Cafe. Since the International Cafe is part of the piazza, you can work off those breakfast calories right here with the Zumba class. Yes, you see Robin from Sea Lake Journeys has been working. She's had her breakfast here, and now she's going to get her exercise and burn off that breakfast. Come on, join in. This is a lot of fun. Thanks so much for joining us here on the Enchanted Princess for breakfast at the International Cafe. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.